Hey friend, in this week's video, I am actually going to be introducing a fun little series that we're going to be doing here on this channel over the next few weeks. Since it is the holiday season, it can be a really chaotic time, a really busy time, kind of a time where there's a lot going on. We've got a bunch of events, school plays to get to, family to see, gatherings to have and host. So I thought it would be a great idea to help bring peace and calm and joy into your life, taking 5 to 10 to 15 minutes out of your week, out of your day to paint and do something that's going to bring peace and calm into your life is just going to help you carry that through the remainder of the holiday season. And so we're going to be following the Advent calendar with hope, joy, peace, and love as our theme every single week over the next 4 weeks. So each week is going to be a different theme. So hope, joy, peace, and love, following the Advent calendar. We're also going to be combining in each week's video, we're going to be combining both painting and meditation. So it's going to be like a guided painting meditation each week, focusing on one of those specific Advent themes. I'm personally very excited about this series. Each individual video is going to cover a different painting that's kind of winter themed, but there's also going to be a guided meditation throughout the painting that's going to help bring joy, peace, hope, and love into your life, a little jolt of those things into your week, into your life to carry you through this crazy time, through this busy season, this fun but busy season for the holidays. And so I'm really excited for you guys to see each video every single week that's coming out over the next 4 weeks. Both painting and meditation help you access that calming place, that place where your brain is creating theta brainwaves, alpha brainwaves, and we're able to reach states of peace and calm in our life. And all we need is about 5 to 15 minutes. So get ready to see those videos coming through your feed starting next Friday, one every single week for the next 4 weeks to help you ride through the holiday season with a little bit more peace, a little bit more calm, some hope, some joy, some love. And also we are doing really special holiday themed tutorials, exclusive tutorials on my Patreon this month. So make sure you go check that out, jennarainey.com/Patreon if you want to access all of our previous catalog of exclusive tutorials in my Patreon. And then also December's Patreon exclusive tutorials, which we are going to be painting some lovely hand-painted ornaments, holiday themed ornaments for one of those tutorials, exclusive tutorials, and then a lovely bright red anemone painting with a sponge brush, which is a little bit different. So if you want to learn how to paint with sponge brush, or you want to learn how to paint your own beautiful floral Christmassy themed hand painted ornaments, then make sure you check out my Patreon. As always, thank you so much for watching our videos. Get excited for our series for the next 4 weeks, and I will see you in the next video.